All right, so I just want to show you how to start off creating your project in case you forgot how or you didn't see how or you're just starting. So first thing you do is you're going to open up a GeoGebra tab here. So let's go to GeoGebra. You normally would be going to Classic, but right now we're just going to go to GeoGebra, the world's favorite free math tool. So click on that and it takes you into this. Now you have to be signed into your account. Okay, so make sure you sign into your account. So I will go ahead and sign into my account, and there I am. So make sure you do, because if you don't, then you're not going to be able to save anything. So once you sign into your account, your screen should look the same as mine. So normally, again, we go to Classic, but we're not going to. We're going to go to Classroom Resources. And then you want to hit mine. Okay, so you won't have all this stuff here because I have a whole bunch of stuff on here, as you can see. All right, so you're going to go to create and an activity. So you want to create an activity because that's going to be your project. So at this point, we're going to title it. So all your project slides are going to be on this document. All right, so I'm just going to call mine this. Right, and once I have it titled, that's how you'll recognize it also. We're going to go to GeoGebra and we're going to create a little applet. And you want it to be graphing. So now we have a screen that looks like this. Okay. So what we want to do now is enter in all the little matrix that we have for our little polygon person sort of thing. So I created one on a piece of graph paper, and I'm going to type that in. So you would go ahead and enter that at this point. So I'm going to enter that in. And so there it is, hopefully. All right. So when you do this now, you want to make sure that you go like point to point. So I started at the foot of my person, and then I went up to the very next point, okay, which is a part of his body, and I'll point it out to you when I plot him. Then I went up to the next point, and I went to, so you're going to go point to point on this. And now we just type this in like we would normally. Okay, so here it is. Let's see what it looks like. Perfect. All right. So there it is. Okay, I don't have arms. I just wanted to do something simple so you can kind of see how that works. So once you have that thing made, all right, you can save this and then go back and edit it, or you can begin to build what you want to do. So let's say that, oh, I think I'm just going to create a dilation of this. So it looks like it's coming towards me and away from me. So I'm just going to do a dilation. Actually, maybe since I want to do that, I can create a little slider here. Okay, and then I can do a little dilation. So I do everything the way that I've been practicing the whole time. And that was A. And so now if I play this, oops, I think I got to put a center point in there for dilation. Dilation, polys. Nope, says just scale factor. Cancel. Dilation is an unknown command. Hold on here. Okay, so it was dilate. I was being kind of dumb there. All right, so here we go. And I can play this. So if I play this, I can see, okay, so it's getting bigger and smaller, and you can speed up the speed if you want. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, but anyway, that's what it does. So now I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to click done. All right, then my first screen is pretty much done. Okay, if you want to do some more things, it's a good idea to hit the advanced settings and have it so that you can do things with the toolbars and the input bar and the right click. Those are the ones that I always turn on. That way you can edit some stuff and then done. So this thing is done. All right. If you want to edit it some more, you can come up here and where the little pencil is, you would just click on that, and that would allow you to do some more inputting here. You can change some things around, whatever you want. Every time you edit something, though, you want to make sure that you click done. Okay. So there's my screen. Now I'm going to add another element, and I'm going to make it a text box. And I basically want to say, this is my shape walking towards me. Okay, I'm just describing what it's doing. Oh, using a dilation. There we go. Oops, I got to spell it right. And then done. Okay, so that's done. You click up here to save it, and it's saved. So then you're saying, all right, hey, I got one done out of 6. You know, I got a couple more to do. So you would go back down here, add an element, another GeoGebra one, create an applet, graphing, and you're ready to go. So hopefully you have the matrix still that you can type in here. Okay, you could do this. If you go up to here, you can copy that first screen, and the matrix will already be there, and then you would just have to edit, and you can delete all this stuff, right? So you can delete this, and there you are. You could start from there without having to enter the matrix. So it all kind of depends on what you want to do. Notice how everything stays there, and you're ready to go. So now you could translate it. Okay, translate. Uh, Parentheses 4 there. Okay. You can, again, you could put in some sliders and have it move on the screen. Okay, you can do a number of different things like that. If you want to make it kind of cool, go ahead and do that. And then again, make sure that you always click done. And also make sure that you always save. So here you would put another text box down here saying what it is that you want that person is doing or what that thing is doing. It doesn't have to be, it could be a race car or something too. If you wanted to do that, that'd be fine. And then just say save and close or save it. If you save and close it, then you would close and go back to the original screen. And then there it is. Okay. And if you click on that, it'll show it sometime. It's just there it goes. It's just being slow internet. There's that one, and there's that one. Okay. We didn't, this translate didn't save here, but it will. If you want to edit from there, you go back up to here and edit the activity. And there it is. So it takes you back to where you can edit it. All right. So you can do them all at one time if you wanted to, or if you have to leave and come back to it, you can do that. And that's pretty much how you do it. So hopefully that helped.